Alright, at home presentation. I'm gonna have some fun with it. Got some music in the background. Let's get this going. Dr. Cook, I'm sorry. Anyways, alright, so I got weeks 4 and 5, increased frequency to 4 days a week. We got intensity, increased difficulty so that it is slightly harder to finish workout. Still moderate to difficulty, volume based off of max results. These 2 weeks will be rep weeks to work on muscle endurance, so weight will be lighter than power weeks. So for day 1, we got chest and biceps. We got bench press, 50% of max to start. And so we got the pyramid. We got each set decreases by 2 reps and increased weight each set. 5 sets starting at 10. We got band curls, 4 sets of 15. Machine fly, 4 sets of 8. Zotman curls, 4 sets of 8. Push-ups, 4 sets of 10. Reverse curls, 4 sets of 10. The exercise mode for day 1 is free weight, bands, body weight, and machines. For day 2, we got legs and abs. We got single leg squat to bench, 4 sets of 10. We got plank, 4 sets of 30 seconds. Stability ball leg curls, 4 sets of 8. Side plank, 3 sets of 15 seconds each side. We got lunges, 4 sets of 8 each leg. 8-second sit up, 4 sets of 10. Now, exercise mode for day 2 is free weights, body weights, and stability ball. For day 3, we got back and triceps. We got pull-ups, 4 sets of 8. Rope push down, 4 sets of 12. Back extension, 4 sets of 10. Dips, 4 sets of 10. Shrugs, 4 sets of 8. Lying tricep extensions, 4 sets of 10. Now for day 3, for exercise mode, we got body weight, free weights. Now for day 4, we got full body. We got band pull-aparts, 4 sets of 12. Goblet squats, 4 sets of 10. Band upright row, 4 sets of 10. Medicine ball slams, 4 sets of 8. Farmer's walk, 4 sets of 10 yards. We got band squat press, 4 sets of 10. Core finisher, 3 sets each. 10 in and outs, 10 Russian twists each way, and 20 toe touches. Boom. For day 4, exercise mode, we got bands, free weights, and body weights. For weeks 6 and 7, we got move frequency up to 5 days. Intensity, the client should push himself during these 2 weeks. Weights-wise, so the lifts should be difficult. Harder than moderate. Volume, again, based off of max results, these 2 weeks are going to be power weeks, so heavier weight and lower reps. So for day 1, we got chest and biceps. We got bench press, 1 set of 5 with 60% max, 2 sets of 3 with 70% max, 2 sets of 2 with 75 to 80% max. We got barbell curls, 4 sets of 5, machine decline press, 4 sets of 3 to 5, easy bar preachers, curls, 4 sets of 5, dumbbell incline press, 4 sets of 3 to 5, dumbbell concentration curl, we got 4 sets of 5. Now for the exercise mode for day 1, we got free weights and machines. For day 2, we got legs and abs. We got squats, 1 set of 5 with 70% max, 2 sets of 5 with 75% max, 2 sets of 4 with 80% max. We got flutter kicks, 4 sets of 20 total. Barbell step-ups, we got 4 sets of 5 each leg, 6 inches, 4 sets of 20 seconds. We got deadlifts, 1 set of 5 with 60% max, 2 sets of 3 with 70% max, and 2 sets of 2 with 75 to 80% max. We got bicycles, we got 4 sets of 10 each way. For exercise mode, for day 2, we got free weights and body weight. For day 3, we got back and triceps. We got V-bar rows, 4 sets of 3 to 5. Diamond push-ups, 4 sets of 5 to 8. Barbell row, 4 sets of 3 to 5. Close grip bench, we got 4 sets of 3 to 5, lat pull downs, 4 sets of 3 to 5, and we got kickbacks, 4 sets of 3 to 5. Now for the machine mode, for day 3, we got free weights, machines, and body weight. Day 4, we got shoulder and biceps. We got overhead press, 1 set of 5 with 50% max, 2 sets of 3 with 60% max, and we have 2 sets of 2 with 65 to 70% max. Hammer curl, 4 sets of 5. Front plate raise, 4 sets of 5. Cable isolation curl, single arm, 4 sets of 3 to 5. Seated dumbbell rotating press, 4 sets of 5. And reverse curl, 4 sets of 3 to 5. For day 4 exercise mode, we got free weights and body machine. Free weights and machine. I don't know where I got the body from. So for day 5, we got full body. We got glute bridge, 4 sets of 5. Back extension, 4 sets of 5 to 8. Push-ups, 4 sets of 5 to 8. Add weight if possible. Pull-ups, 4 sets of 5 to 8. Add weight if possible. Calf raises, 4 sets of 5. Standing tricep extensions, 4 sets of 3 to 5. For day 5 exercise mode, we got free weight, machine, and body weight. If I switch this over here, maybe. There we go. It's a little better. Rest intervals can be slightly longer this week for recovery because of the weight being used. 1 minute to 1 minute and 30 seconds, depending on how client is responding. Next slide. I guess I don't slide that way. So for week 8 to 9, we got intensity. The client should be able to push themselves fairly hard and be able to maintain for the lift, still moderate to above moderate difficulty. Volume, weight is based off max results. These 2 weeks are back to rep weeks, so the weight is lighter and the reps are higher. Frequency, 5 days a week. Day 1, we got chest and biceps. We got bench press, 60% of max to start. We got a pyramid. Each set decreases by 2 reps and increase weight each set. 5 sets starting at 10. Barbell rows, we got 4 sets of 10. Incline dumbbell bench press, we got 4 sets of 10. Lat pull downs, 4 sets of 10. Dumbbell fly, 4 sets of 10. Good mornings, 4 sets of 10. Everything is 4 sets of 10, period. So for exercise mode for day 1, we got free weight and machine. Day 2, we got legs and abs. Squat, 50% of max to start. We got pyramid. Each set decreases by 2 reps and increase weight each set. 5 sets starting at 10. Then we got 6 inches. We got 2 sets of 30 seconds RDLs. We got 4 sets of 10 Russian twists. 2 sets of 15 each way. Leg press, 4 sets of 10. Flutter kicks, 2 sets of 15 total. For day 2 exercise mode, we got free weight, body weight, and machine. For day 3, we got back and tricep. We got pull downs, add weight vest if possible, 4 sets of 10. Rope push downs, 4 sets of 12. Back extensions, 4 sets of 10. Dips, 4 sets of 10. Shrugs, 4 sets of 8. Lying tricep extensions, 4 sets of 10. I bet you thought that 4 sets of 8 was going to be 4 sets of 10, huh? Yep, nope. For day 3, we got body weight, free weight, and machine for exercise mode. Now, for day 4, we got shoulders and biceps. We got overhead press, 50% of max to start. Pyramid. Each set decreases by 2 reps and increase weight each set. 5 sets starting at 8. Dumbbell curl, 4 sets of 10. Lateral front raise combo, 4 sets of 10. Hammer curl, 4 sets of 10. Machine press, inside grip, palms in, 4 sets of 10. And cable isolation curl, single arm, I bet you can guess. 4 sets of 10. You got it right. So for day 4, for the exercise mode, we got free weight and machine. So for day 5, we got full body. We got deadlift, 50% of max to start. Pyramid. Each set decreases by 2 reps and increase weight each set. 5 sets starting at 10. We got glute bridge, 4 sets of 10. Band upright rows, 4 sets of 10. Medicine ball slams, 4 sets of 8. Push-ups, add weight if possible. 4 sets of 10. Calf raises, 4 sets of 5. And a 1-minute plank, 4 sets. For day 5, we got free weight, bands, and body weight. Oh wait, hold up. For rest time should be lower during these weeks in order to help increase muscle endurance. Less than 1 minute break, preferably if client is able. Now next slide. So for weeks 10 and 11, the intensity, the client should push himself at a level that he can maintain while also challenging himself. Volume, these 2 weeks are power weeks, so the weight is higher and the reps are lower. Weight is based off of max results. Frequency, 5 days a week. Day 1, we got chest and biceps. We got bench press, One set of 5 with 65% max, 2 sets of 3 with 75% max, 2 sets of 2 with 80 to 85% max. We got barbell curls, 4 sets of 5, machine decline press, 4 sets of 3 to 5, easy bar preacher curls, 4 sets of 5, dumbbell incline press, 4 sets of 3 to 5, dumbbell concentration curls, 4 sets of 5. For the exercise mode, for day 1, we got free weight and machine. For day 2, we got legs and abs. We got squats. We got 1 set of 5 with 75% max, 2 sets of 5 with 85% max, 2 sets of 3 with 90% max. We got in and out, 4 sets of 20, sorry about that, total. We got reverse lunges, 4 sets of 10 each leg, 6 inches, 4 sets of 20 seconds. Deadlifts, 1 set of 5 with 70% max, 2 sets of 3 with 75% max, and 2 sets of 2 with 85% max. For the exercise mode for day 2, we got free weight and body weight. For day 3, we got back and triceps. We got V-bar rows, 4 sets of 5, diamond push-ups, 4 sets of 8, barbell row, 4 sets of 5, close grip bench, 4 sets of 5, lat pull downs, 4 sets of 5, shrugs, 4 sets of 5. For the exercise mode for day 3, we got free weights, body weights, and machine. Now for day 4, shoulder and biceps overhead press, we got one set of 5 with 60% max, 2 sets of 3 with 65% max, and 2 sets of 2 with 70 to 75% max. We got hammer curls, 4 sets of 5, front and side plate raise, 4 sets of 5, cable isolation curls, single arm. We got 4 sets of 3 to 5, seated dumbbell rotating press, 4 sets of 5, reverse curls, 4 sets of 3 to 5. For the exercise mode for day 4, is free weight and machine. And for day 5, we got full body. We got glute bridge, 4 sets of 5, back extensions, 4 sets of 8, push-ups, 4 sets of 8, and add weight if possible. We got pull-ups, 4 sets of 8, add weight if possible. Calf raises, 4 sets of 5, standing tricep extensions, 4 sets of 5. Free weight, body weight, and machine for exercise mode. And the rest intervals can be slightly longer this week for recovery because of the weight being used. 1 minute to 1 minute and 30 seconds depending on how a client is responding. And for week 12, the final max to see what progress we've made. Intensity, give max effort during the max portion. For the rest of the exercise, he should push himself at a level that is challenging while also sustainable. Volume, this is a mixture of power week and rep week. It will depend on the exercise. Weight for the non-max exercise will most likely be lighter to compensate for the max day. Frequency, 5 days a week. So for day 1, we got chest and biceps, max exercise, bench press, 1 rep max, machine low row, 4 sets of 8, dumbbell incline press, 4 sets of 8, dumbbell row, 4 sets of 8, cable fly, 4 sets of 8. For day 2, we got legs and abs. We got max exercise, squat, 1 rep max, max exercise deadlift, 1 rep max, leg lifts, 4 sets of 10, single leg RDL, 4 sets of 8, heel taps, 4 sets of 10 each way, mini band lateral walks, 4 sets of 10 each way, and flutter kicks, 3 sets of 45 seconds. We got day 3, back and triceps. We got pull-ups, 4 sets of 10, add weight if possible, rope pushdowns, 4 sets of 12, back extensions, 4 sets of 10, dips, 4 sets of 10, shrugs, 4 sets of 8, lying tricep extensions, 4 sets of 10. For day 4, we got shoulder and biceps, max exercise, overhead press, 1 rep max, isolation dumbbell curl, 4 sets of 8 each, band internal and external rotation, 4 sets of 10. We got barbell curl, 4 sets of 8, plate ABCs, 4 sets. And for day 5, we got full body, single leg glute bridges, 4 sets of 5 each, back extensions, 4 sets of 5 to 8, push-ups with 3-second hold at the bottom, 4 sets of 5, pull-ups, 4 sets of 5, 4 sets of 8, add weight if possible, bench step-ups with knee drive, we got 4 sets of 5 each, and standing tricep extensions, 4 sets of 3 to 5. The client should have moderate difficulty finishing exercises that are not max exercise.